Hello, good morning students. In our previous class, we have studied about the Pythagorean triplet. Okay. Now, in this, we have to prove it, the converse of it. So, till then, we are finding the value of the third side or the third part. Here, in the first case, use Pythagoras theorem to find out if each triangle is right angled or not. So what was the property of right angled triangle? That in a triangle ABC, what was the property? In a triangle ABC, A square plus B square should be equal to C square. Correct? Now we have to show that whether it is a Pythagorean triplet following or not. In question number 1A part. So what are the side? 24 square, 10 square and 26 square. So how you will show that A is 24, 26 and 10. So you should know that 24 square plus 10 square should be equal to 26 square. Correct? 24 square plus 10 square should be equal to 26 square. What will be the value of 24 square? 576 plus 100, which is equal to, what is the square of 26? 676. So you will see that this 676 and is also equal to 676, means both are equal to each other. Is it? Both are equal to each other. It means it follows the Pythagorean triplet. Okay. Both are equal to each other. It will follow the Pythagorean triplet. Yes. Now see the B part of it. What is there in B part? 34, 30 and 16. 34, 13, 30 and 16. 16. So you will have 30 square plus 16 square should be equal to 34 square. 30 square is 900 and 16 square is 256, which is equal to 1156. You will get 34 square is 1156 and here also 1156. Both are equal to each other. Hence, it also show the Pythagorean triplet. Okay, both are equal to each other, 1156 and 1156. It means it follows the Pythagorean triplet. Now see the C part. 8, 6 and 12. 8, 6 and 12. 8 square plus 6 square is equal to 12 square. See whether it is 8 square is 64, 6 square is 36 and this is 144. Now you got this as 100 and this is 144. They are not equal to each other. So they does not follow the Pythagorean triplet. Correct? They are not equal to each other because the sum of these two will be 100 and but what you want here 144. So they are not equal to each other. Hence it does not follow the Pythagorean triplet. Now see the D part. 11, 61 and 60. So you will have 60 square plus 11 square is equal to 61 square. So 60 square means 3600 plus 121, which is should be equal to 61 square, means 4021 and here you are getting 3721 and here you are getting 4021. It is also 3 7 to 1 and here also 3 7 to 1. So both are equal to each other. It follows the Pythagorean triplet. Means it is also yes. Okay. Both you can see both are in Pythagorean triplet 3 7 to 1 3 7 to 1. That means it also follows the Pythagorean triplet. Now see the E part 25, 18 and 15. See the E part. Sorry, 25, 18 and 15. Okay, 25, 18 and 15 means 15 square plus 18 square should be equal to 25 square. So 15 square is 225, 18 square is 324 is equal to 625, which is equal to 54924 549 is equal to 625. They are not equal to each other, so it does not follow the Pythagorean triplet. Okay, it is not equal to each other, so it will not follow the Pythagorean triplet. Now see the F part. 18, 9, 14. 18, 9, 14. 18 square is equal to 9 square plus 14 square. 9 square is 81 plus 196 plus 324. 617, 8 plus 9, 7. 277 and 324. They are also not equal to each other. It means it is also no. It is also not equal to each other. It is also no. Now see the G part. 41, 40 and 9. 41 square is equal to 40 square plus 9 square. 41 means 841 is equal to 4 1600 plus 981. 41 square is 1801. 1681. And here also it is equal to 1681. Both are equal to each other, so it also follows the Pythagorean triplet. Okay, both are equal to each other 1681, so it follows the Pythagorean triplet. Now H part 15, 17, 18. 15, 17 and 8. 17 square is equal to 15 square plus 8 square. 8 means 8 square means 64, 225. 289. Both are equal to each other. It means it is also following the Pythagorean triplet. Okay, both are equal to each other, so it will also follow the Pythagorean triplet. So following the Pythagorean triplet means a square plus b square should be equal to c square. Okay students, now classify the triangle as acute, obtuse or right angle triangle. Measure of all sides of a triangle are in the same unit. classify the triangle as acute. So for firstly I am writing for acute angle what should be the condition. For acute triangle, C square should be less than A square plus B square. And for obtuse triangle, C square should be greater than A square plus B square. Okay? If C square is less than A square plus B square, it will be acute, and if it is greater than, then it will be obtuse. So here it is 8, 11 and 13. Second, first A part, 8, 11 and 13. So you find it 13 square, 8 square plus 11 square. Okay? Here I am leaving this place. 169, 64 plus 121, 169 and this 415, 8, 185. Which one is bigger? This side, what it will be? This one is bigger, na? So it is acute angle. It is acute triangle. Okay? First one will be your acute triangle. Now see the B part. 9, 11, 15. So 9 square plus 11 square and 15 square. 81 plus 121 and 225. So what you will get? 1 plus 1, 2, 8, 202 and here it is 225. Which is greater? C square is greater. It is obtuse triangle. It is obtuse triangle because C is greater there. Here C is smaller, so it is acute. There C is greater, so it is obtuse. Now see the third. 9, 40, 41. 9, 40, 41. So 9 is 81 square plus 1600 square and this is 1681. So you will get 1681 and here also 1681. So it is right angle, right triangle. Both are equal. So it is right triangle. When it will be equal, it is right triangle. Okay. Now see the next. D part. See the next D part. 7, 10 and 12. 7, 10, 12. 7 square plus 10 square plus 12 square. 49 plus 100. 144. 149 and 144. So which is greater? This one. It is acute triangle. Okay, it is acute triangle. Now see the E part. 7, 8, 11. 7, 8, 11. 7 square plus 8 square and 11 square. 49 plus 64 and 121. 9 plus 4, 13, 4 plus 6. 6 plus 4, 10, 1, 11 and this is 121. This one is greater, so it is obtuse triangle. Okay, because 121 is here greater. Now see the F part. 10, 24, 26. 10, 24, 26. 10 square, 24 square and 26 square. 100 plus 24. 576 and 26. 676. It is equal to. It is right triangle. It it is equal to, it will be right triangle. Okay. Now see the G part. Now let's see the G part. Now what is there in the G part? 10, 12 1 by 2 and 7 1 by 2. 12 1 by 2 and 7 1 by 2. 10, 12 1 by 2 and 7 1 by 2. So this means 10, 12.5 and 7.5. So 100 plus what will be the 12.5 square? 156.25 and this one is 7.5 square. So what will be the value of 7.5 square? Now see. $56.25. Which one? This one will be greater to 56.25 and this is 56.25. So this one is greater, it is acute. It is acute. Now H part. This one you got it is acute angle triangle. Now the H part 64, 48 and 80. So here you will have 64 square, 48 square and 80 square. Now what will be 64 square? $4096 plus what is the 48 square? 4304 is equal to, no, 8 8s are 64, 100. So 4 0 4 4 6 10 carry 1, 9 1 10 carry 1, 3 1 4 and 4 plus 4 8. Sorry, this is 2. 6400 and here also 6400. So it is a right angle triangle. Which one it is? Right triangle. Okay. When they are equal to each other, it is a right angle triangle. When it is less than acute, when it is more than obtuse. Okay, students. Is it clear up to here? Okay. Okay, students. Thank you and have a good day. That's all for today.